Unboxing of Austin Racing silencers, exhausts, fart cans for my 2023 Hypermotard SP950. It took 2 months, 8 weeks to get. Make them custom to order. And they come from the United Kingdom. These actually are the low decibel, since I'm in lovely California and I don't like loud. So I don't like loud. So I got the low decibel. I'd rather have growl than loud. Let's see the first one. I picked titanium. There it is. Yeah, it's not the best of lighting here. And there we go. There's one. That right there. Get number 2 out. There's number 2. Good looking, very good looking.